Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the photo ready and you are signed in. Now act. Open your profile, tap or click the photo you plan to use, and expand it so the photo options appear. Once done, select the three-dot menu or options. This is where Facebook surfaces the profile picture guard action. You're doing this because the guard adds a visible overlay and extra restrictions, which helps prevent downloads and resharing. So start here to get the protection layer on the picture itself. Now enable the guard feature from the photo menu and follow each prompt. You will be asked to confirm an overlay and possibly choose who can see the picture. Pick friends or a custom list to limit exposure. Make sure to review any extra toggles Facebook shows, for example, preventing downloads, disabling tags, or adding a frame. Once you accept, the system applies an overlay and saves the setting to that specific profile picture. You do this to reduce copying and unwanted circulation. Finish by checking your profile from another account or a friend's view to confirm the overlay and restrictions are active. If the guard isn't visible, make sure your Facebook app is updated, clear cache, or try the desktop site. Sometimes region or app version affects availability. If problems persist, change the picture and reapply the guard, or use privacy shortcuts to tighten profile visibility. One troubleshooting tip: update the app first. Many guard issues stem from outdated versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.